Hello everyone and welcome. This is Chloe with Cousin DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to make these color explosion dangly earrings. I used seed beads from this assortment of beads together with gold e-beads. You can choose whatever combination of beads you like. I've gone ahead and loaded the colors that I used on the ones I showed you. We'll make beaded drops for the bottom and beaded links for the top, and we'll be connecting the two. So I used, in my order, I used lilac, pink, teal, red, blue, yellow, turquoise, and orange. Put a gold e-bead, and then I repeated that pattern, and I did that also on my eye pen. I like to use what some of you who've watched my videos in the past know that I refer to as my cheater bead. It's a bead that's 7 or 8 millimeters in size, and it just helps me keep my loops a consistent size. I slide that on the stem and I cut flush with the top, and I form my loop. And I've gone ahead and I've made the other 4. So you'll have 5 beaded drops that will all be the same. Next, I'm doing the same on an eye pin. I'll trim the top using my cheater bead, form a loop. I know I always use a needle nose plier and then the round nose plier to form my loops. I know some people do it all with the round nose pliers, but this is just the way I've always done it. And we want to make sure that the loops on both ends are lined up. And if they're not, you can just take your pliers and go like this to line them up. And once again, I've gone ahead and I've made the other 4. So now we're going to go ahead and connect these together. To do that, we'll take our needle nose pliers and we'll open the loop on top of a beaded drop and connect the loop on the bottom of a beaded link. You want to make sure you close those loops nice and snug. I'm going to go ahead and attach the others together in the same way. Now that we have those done, we're going to create the top bar of our earring here. We'll be sliding everything on, but before we do that, you're going to need to cut some individual links of chain. You'll have a long length of chain, and I've gone ahead and I've cut 2 single links. As you see, 2 double links. I want you to be able to see this. So 2 double links that are attached, and then 1 triple link like that. Then we're going to take an eye pin And we're going to slide on E-bead, a single link, an E-bead, a double link. Oops, make sure we've got only one. An E-bead, a triple link, E-bead, double link. I think you see where I'm going here. E-bead, single link, and an E-bead. And once again, I'm going to use my little cheater bead. I'm going to cut that stem off flush with the cheater bead. And then we want to make a loop on this side that matches the direction of the loop on the other side. And next, we're going to open the top loop on the eye pin end of these attached strands. And we're going to be connecting them to the bottom link of each series of chains that we added onto this eye pin. There, now that we have those all attached, in retrospect, you might want to attach your strands to the links before you load your links onto this top eye pin here. Might be a little easier for the single links on each end, but I managed to make it work. Next, I have cut a length of chain that is 11 links long. And I'm going to take an ear wire, open the loop on the bottom, and I'm going to attach it to the middle link. There we go. Now we want to close that loop nice and flush. And now we're going to attach the other side, and we want to make sure that that chain will be hanging. It's not kinked or twisted. Make sure it hangs right. And it does. So now I'm going to go ahead and make the matching earring, and I'll be right back. And there we go. We have two completed earrings. I'm going to go ahead and try them on, and let's see how they look. I'm going to use our rubber French wire earring backs to make sure I don't lose an earring while I'm wearing them. I don't know about you, but I find that I very often, if I don't use these on the back of my wire earrings, I'll lose an earring. And after you put all this work into something, there, I just slide it right on the back, and that earring isn't going to go anywhere. Let's go ahead and put this one on. I really recommend these. Ours comes in a pack that contains a lot of them, so you'll always have them on hand and you won't lose your earrings anymore. There you go. What do you think? Very colorful. If you make your own color explosion earrings, we'd love to see them. You can share them with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. Thanks for joining us today. See you next time. Bye.